See now question number 41. In this question, hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes ferrous ion to ferric ion and reduced itself to water. Okay, so write the balanced equation. So this is the question they asked. See here, from the given data, we can write that is oxidizing agent. See, we all know what is meant by oxidizing agent or oxidant. Okay, see here, this oxidizing agent, simply we can tell the oxidizing agent makes oxidation reaction to happen. That is said to be an oxidizing agent or oxidant. Okay, and here ferrous ion. So ferrous ion means this Fe2 plus is said to be a ferrous ion to ferric ion. So ferric ion means Fe3 plus. See here, hydrogen peroxide is simply written as H2O2. This H2O2 with ferrous ion, it gets converted to Fe3 plus. So Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. See here, oxidation number gets increases for about 1 electron. So which means increase in oxidation number is said to be an oxidation. Okay, oxidation process. So now the ferrous ion is oxidized by H2O2 to ferric ion. So now we have to write the balanced equation. See here, Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, which means it is a loss of electron. There will be loss of 1 electron. Okay. So now, see here I have calculated the oxidation number of this H2O2. Here we have to calculate the oxidation number of this oxygen. See hydrogen, we all know hydrogen will be 1. The oxidation number of hydrogen is 1. See here 2 moles of hydrogen. So which means this 2 into 1. So which means we are having 2 into 1 plus this oxygen I am going to keep as X. So 2 moles of oxygen. So which means 2X. So now that will be equal to 0 because no charge is there. So now 1 into 2 is simply 2 plus 2X, that will be equal to 0. So here on dividing it by 2 because they will be equal to 2. So we can tell finally X will be equal to minus 1 because this, when it comes to this side, it will become minus 1. So which means this, in this H2O2, this oxygen will have the oxidation number of minus 1. This hydrogen will have the oxidation number of plus 1. Right? See again, for this hydrogen will have the oxidation number of plus 1 and this oxygen will have the oxidation number of minus 2. Okay, see here on comparing with this oxygen and then this oxygen, that is H2O2 and H2O, we are having 2 oxygen here, but here only 1 oxygen. So the difference is simply 1 electron. Here minus 1 and here minus 2. So their difference is simply 1 electron. Here you see two oxygen atom. Okay, here 2 oxygen atom, but here only 1 oxygen atom. So which means we have to multiply it with 2 to balance it. Right? See, that only we have done here. Okay. See here, this refers to the loss of electron because it is an oxidation reaction. Okay, that is loss of an electron, and here this 2 comes because here 2 moles of oxygen, that is 2 oxygen atom. So simply 2 comes here. Okay, to balance it we have to multiply it with 2. You see here H2O2 plus 2H plus, that leads to give 2 electron. Okay, because 2 oxygen this side, but here only 1 oxygen, so there will be loss of, it is a gain of 2 electron because this is a reduction reaction. This is a reduction reaction. So reduction is simply decrease in oxidation number. That is said to be reduction, whereas increase in oxidation number is said to be oxidation process. Okay, so this is the oxidation reaction. So after writing a completely balanced reaction, then we get H2O2. That is, here this side 2 electron and this side 2 electron will get cancelled. So that we are having the final equation 2 Fe2 plus this H2O2 plus 2H plus. So this refers to product 2Fe3 plus 2H2O. Okay. So now, so if a question given in this form, we have to write a balanced reaction. We all know which is a oxidation reaction and which is a reduction reaction. After that, we have to go for the balancing. Okay. So simply we have to balance by calculating the oxidation number. After calculating the oxidation number, we have to balance it. Then finally we have to write a balanced equation. Okay.